What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Crispy, and I'm back with another video. Alright, and if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that like button, that subscribe button. Alright, I'm literally approaching 1,000 subscribers. Alright, so make sure that you join right now. Alright, because I'm going to do a huge giveaway at 1K, and yeah, so pretty much in this video it's gonna be straight to the point. All right, I am gonna go ahead and actually pick somebody right now for a $50 giveaway. All right, just because I'm feeling good. All right, so pretty much I'm gonna jump into the computer and we will go ahead and show you exactly what trusted signals. All right, link in the description if you want to go ahead and get the best signal indicator on the planet at the moment. All right, they just came up with a few updates, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how to go ahead and update and all that good stuff. All right, and what's included, all right, with your purchase. And by the way, if you want to make money, all right, you have to join the VIP and join the membership, and then once you do that, you're gonna be able to get access to the affiliate program, and you're gonna be able to get commission just for sending this amazing product out to your friends. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the computer. Boom, boom. Let's see here. All right. So as you guys can see here, this is the referral program. All right. It just came out right now. This is the website. All right. And if you go all the way to the bottom of the website, all right, you will see refer friends. Okay. You're going to click refer friends. It's going to bring you to the referral page. And as you guys can see here, it's going to be 10% per sale. And it doesn't matter whether that's a lifetime sale or a monthly subscription. Now, I do want to let you guys know the sale is not going to be forever. All right. Right now, a 1 month access is $99 and the subscription is $69. All right. If you subscribe right now, you're going to go ahead and be able to get locked in at this price. But if you wait, it's going to be $99 monthly. All right. And the lifetime right now is on sale. So this is what I recommend you guys get, because what's going to end up happening is they will be releasing a 3-month and 6-month and 12-month plan, which is going to go ahead and increase the lifetime to this price. Okay, guys, so make sure that you get lifetime now. You can use the link in the description, and you can use my promo code Crispy, and I believe you're gonna get either $100 or $200 off by using that. All right, so make sure you do that now. And you know, the setup guide is coming along. We're actually in the process of making videos. Those will be out the end of this week, if not the next week for sure. Okay, and little by little we're adding to the product, so make sure you stay tuned because it's dope. Everybody is literally breaking bread. And let's actually go ahead and actually show you guys what the Discord looks like. All right, and for the most part, we are all, you know, just using the indicator, and not only just using the indicator, we're just all individuals about making money. All right, I have my personal Discord. If you want to go ahead and join that, click the link in the description. All right, this is the actual trusted signals indicator. Okay, post your profit section. So as you guys can see here, everybody is literally, you know, making some money. And I actually posted in this I believe 2 days ago, and as you guys can see here, this was my biggest day of the year. Obviously it's only the 8th of January. All right, but listen, I'm proud of this, you know what I mean, because my goal has been $500 daily, and now I'm breaking barriers just because of my signal indicator. Now keep in mind, I scalped this, okay, and I actually sent over my chart. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. These are scalps because of the indicator. I got in on a sell and I got in on a buy, okay, and they're both in blue. So it's a ridiculous thing. And this goes hand in hand with the RSI. Okay, guys, the RSI, which is a divergence oscillator, which is included in your membership. Okay, I sold it and then I hopped in for the buy. All right, it's literally ridiculous. Like, I literally sold it all the way down, and when I saw that a signal was given right here, all right, and plus there was a support. Okay, it was coming up on support. I ended up hopping in. Boom. It's literally that simple. Mind you, you see that red line? That is my key zone on my MT4, and I've had that area marked up forever, all right, because I believe that that's where gold fluctuates. Okay, now this is why you guys should get this indicator number one, all right, before I go into what the updates actually are. Check this out. This is Ali. He's been killing it as always, and his lot sizes are 0.01. He's using the trusted signals indicator on a 0.01, and he's able to make $35. And there's other people here. We all share our thoughts, and there's also a VIP chat as well, and they go over a whole mess of different things. Okay, guys, so join that. All right, that's definitely gonna be something powerful for you guys to go ahead and get your trading to the next level. All right, so now as far as it goes, let's go ahead and jump into the signal indicator. Okay, and as you guys can see here, I do not have the indicator on the chart, and I will actually go ahead and remove this. Okay, so this is how your chart should look. All right, most likely you're gonna be on regular candles. Okay, guys, you're gonna be on regular candles. Make sure that when you're using the actual buy and sell alerts, okay, you want to use the Ashi candles. Okay, because that's gonna give you the bigger and longer trend confirmations. Okay, now let's say you're just starting out, or let's say you want to update. Okay, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to remove all of the indicators from your chart. Once you do that, you're gonna want to click FX, which means indicators and strategies. And for me, I have already favored it. All right, for you, you're gonna want to click invite only scripts. Okay, once you click invite only scripts, you will see all of the scripts that you have been invited to. Okay, within 20 minutes to an hour, all right, you're gonna get access once you purchase the indicator. Okay, and you're gonna be given to access to all of these scripts. So this is literally just one of those things where you're not getting just the buy and sell alerts. Okay, because let's go ahead and add the buy and sell alerts to the chart real quick, and I want to show you the update within this specific indicator. Okay, now keep in mind these settings are default. All right, usually what I like to do is I like to look at US 30 or gold, because those are the ones that I actually like to trade. All right, now remember, you're gonna want to make sure that you're on Ashi candles, because like I said, you're gonna be able to find out the longer moves. Okay, let's go ahead and check out gold. Boom. And this works on every single pair, guys. So whether you do stocks, whether you do crypto, all that good stuff, you can literally use this to your advantage. All right, now remember, this comes out of the box like this. Okay, but remember, you're gonna be able to go ahead and change all of the settings. All right, the settings is based upon how you trade and what you're looking for and different time frames. Okay, now remember another thing, guys, this is also gonna work better during open of market and during high volume areas. Okay, now if you're not in high value, if you're not trading in a high volume time, click on ADX. Okay, and it's gonna go ahead and remove a lot of the noise. Okay, so what ends up happening is it's only gonna go ahead and try to show you those bigger pushes up, or those longer moves down. Now remember, this is all customizable, so you're going to be able to drop the sensitivity, okay, and then actually see exactly how this reacted within the past, okay, to give you those key entries. Okay, so this is a very, very powerful system, and like I said, you're going to want to go ahead and really just, it's going to let you hold trades much longer, especially when you have the ADX, okay, because it's not going to give you so much noise. And I can go in on my, exact settings. Remember, this is just a 30-minute. I'm usually scalping on like 5 minutes to 1 minute sometimes even, and this does work on those time frames as well. All right, and like I said, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and increase the sensitivity on lower time frames, so that way you can remove some of the noise. Okay, so there's a whole mess of things that you can do specifically in this indicator, as you guys can see here, where you're going to go ahead and take advantage of just getting in and out of the market without emotions. Okay, another thing that came out in this specific update is the show and buy sell signals. Okay, so now you can actually remove those from the chart, which is what I recommend. I recommend you guys actually trade without any indicators, okay, naked trading, price action, by lining up your key zones. All right, usually for me, the only one that I'm actually using is the support. Okay, so what I would end up doing, okay, is coming down here, and as you guys can see here, show support resistance. You click that, and then it's gonna literally give you guys an auto support and resistance. All right, it's ridiculous. Okay, this is gonna give you key areas where if you bounce from, all right, you see here, boom, there's a support, and then there's a buy signal there. So guess what? Now you know, hey, there's a buy coming on my support or my resistance, a sell coming on my resistance. So let me hop in. Okay, so that's one of the ways that I trade and I use it. Another thing is you're gonna be able to go ahead and actually remove the side panel, which is this, which gives you the market sentiment. Okay, and then you're gonna go ahead and be able to also do. Now this is a dope update. Okay, guys, so what you're gonna want to do is, let's go ahead and remove the show and buy signals. And this is another reason why we actually remove the show and buy signals. Okay, keep in mind, I'm just testing. This is no specific settings. I'm not showing you. This is not a settings video. All this is to show you exactly all the tools that you're getting within this specific indicator. And keep in mind, this is only just one indicator I'm showing you that comes with over 8 tools, and it's all customizable. Okay, so boom. Now, another thing that they added is the swing points. All right, and this is very powerful. Okay, because it's going to be able to go ahead and show you where your high highs and your low lows are in certain time frames. Okay, now keep in mind, like I said, this is also fully customizable, because what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and figure out what your specific trade style is. Okay, you can do it based upon every 6 candles, every 10 candles, and basically if you're only going to be on the markets for another hour, all right, so you can change it to get you a faster response on the high highs and the low lows and all that good stuff. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is very powerful things, because as you guys can see here, it made a high high and a high low. All right, now we're making newer lows, so now we should be able to look for buy entries. Okay, because at any given moment we're gonna see a reversal, as you guys can see here, and we should be retesting the higher highs once again. So like I said, there's a whole mess of different strategies that you can just use this for, and quite frankly, I mean, it's really just all customizable. So it doesn't matter whether you're on the 1 hour. You've seen this. I've gone to the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, okay? And then you can even go to the 3 minute and the 1 minute, all right? I wouldn't go crazy and go down to the 1 second chart, but as you guys can see here, literally it's the same thing on a 1 second chart. Keep in mind, right now the market is just opening up, but like, this is all stuff that's all powerful, just extra added bonus. I'm here on a 1 second, chart here, and I'm able to go ahead and see exactly what's going on, and it's all live. So that's very cool. Okay, now another thing that we go ahead and added, all right, let me go ahead and turn off the swing points and the support and resistance, okay, is we added the EMA cloud. All right, a lot of you guys had asked for it. All right, so we ended up adding that. Now basically what it is a lot of traders are seeing when there's going to be a crossover between that little line and the actual trend line. Okay, so basically, this is all powerful things that you can just add to your arsenal to give you an added confirmation. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this line started crossing this line at this point. So as you guys can see that occurring, now okay, we should be looking at some buys or for some sells, depending on which way the market is moving. So we added the EMA cloud, and that is also fully customizable, and you can change around and play around with it to give you different settings and see exactly what you guys like to trade. So boom, let's go ahead and so see, look, this is a gray area, boom, and it rejected off of that. So there's a lot of different ways and techniques and different things that you can use this for, where it's going to go ahead and be very powerful. Okay, now another thing that this does have is auto fibs. All right, auto fibs is very powerful because it's going to go ahead and give you key areas for rejection points and key entrances, and a lot of traders live and die by the auto Fibonacci. Well, not auto Fibonacci, okay? Just Fibonacci in general. We offer a auto Fibonacci, and it's gonna go ahead and give you the ability to change the look back length as well. So if you want to go ahead and, you know, scalp and just get a quick entry, you can put this to, you know, the last 100 candles, and then it'll give you a different you know, Fibonacci. As you can see here, boom, it's only going to show you the last 100. So now you have a better area and understanding of where to enter the market. Okay, so this is pretty much a complete rundown. All right, I haven't necessarily gotten so crazy and so deep into this, and I plan to make a lot of different setting changes for my specific strategy. All right, my strategy has been gold. Really, that's all I've been looking at. I always say to stick to one pair as well, because you want to go ahead and you know, really lock into a specific pair. Okay, that way you can be more profitable, because the more you've seen it, the more you know, okay, this is a key level. This is where it bounces from. As you guys know, gold has been bouncing pretty much in the same area for a while, around this area. So you know, hey, okay, it's bouncing up, it's bouncing down. Now, where are my key areas to get in? And usually I'm support and resistance. Okay, so boom, let's go ahead and exit that off the chart. Okay, now really quick, all right, I know that this video is getting kind of long, but it's very helpful. All right, the Doji scalper, I'm not going to go over it, but with the Doji scalper and the tweezers, let's go ahead and add that on the chart. Actually, just really quick, the tweezers is something new. Okay, now for these specific indicators, what we actually have been recommending now, all right, let's go to Doji scalper. Let's go ahead and turn off the RSI resistance level. All right. So as you guys can see how powerful the Doji scalper is right here. Now, what's even crazier is the Doji scalper is really supposed to be used on regular candles. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see here, obviously it's a little bit cluttered because we have all of the signals on at once. All right. If you wanted to just see the Doji signals, you can do that. All right, and if you only wanted to show like reversal areas, you can do that as well. Okay, with that. So that is the Doji scalper. Is very powerful to find like reversal areas and key areas to just figure out, okay, another added confirmation. Boom. Now, another thing that we added was a tweezer scalper, and basically what it does, it shows you exactly where there's tweezer tops, and you guys actually use this and ask for this. So we added that as well. All right, and it's fully customizable, and it can actually show you how much wick you want to go ahead and have added up. So that's pretty cool. Boom. Tweezers, and this also gives you support and resistance. So as you can see here, the red means sell. All right, now let's say if we were on a higher time frame, let's see if there's any buy areas. Okay, and now if you get one on the bottom and it's blue on, then you're gonna be buying. So boom, and then now you're gonna buy. So like I said, this is just another powerful tool, and I'll plan to add this to my arsenal as well. And like I said, you want to have at least 3 confirmations before taking a trade. Okay, guys, so that's very important. Last but not least, and one of the most powerful things that Trusted Signals offers, okay, besides the currency strength indicator, which I'll add as well, it's the divergence oscillator. All right, the divergence oscillator is literally legit and one of my favorites. Now you can actually set up alerts for everything that you just saw. Now you can do the divergence and it'll give you an actual alert, okay, which is very cool. And we actually added, so now this is not a 9-in-1, all right, this is actually now an 11-in-1 indicator. As you guys can see here, these are all the indicators, and this is the divergence oscillator for the wave trend, okay. And you see it down here. Now those dots represent a few different things and time frames, and there's actually a few people who use this specific strategy with these dots. I'm not necessarily a guru in that, so I can't necessarily, you know, tell you exactly how to use that. And then the DSS Brezet, I believe that's what it's pronounced, okay. And as well as this is where you can go ahead and take the trades. Obviously, if it's at the green line or red line, it's different scalping points, okay, or entry points. And then you're going to want to wait for different types of crossovers, okay. And like I said, these are all indicators that you can actually YouTube how to use these specific indicators in your arsenal, okay. Boom. So I'll go ahead and get out of that. Very, very important. Now, one cool thing is the currency strength indicator. Okay, as you guys can see here, odd is at the top, Japan is at the bottom. So let's go ahead and check what this is doing. Odd, Japan. All right, let's see here. Boom. All right, so boom. So as you guys can see here, odd, all right, was I guess stronger than the Japanese yen. All right, so what's happening? We're in an uptrend. Okay, so these are simple indicators, guys, but if you use them all together, it's very powerful stuff. All right, so make sure that you click the link in the description. Like I said, very dope. Use my sale. You know, this is all powerful things, you know what I mean? Imagine being able to find out exactly where you're going to get in and get out and know which one's stronger, which one isn't, and all that good stuff. Very cool. Now, last but not least, all right, this is my last video. I released it about a week ago, and it shows you my exact gold settings, so definitely go check it out. I'm actually going to go ahead and pick one lucky person who commented on this specific video right here. Boom, get YouTube comments. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and just send you guys over $50 on BTC or PayPal. All right, start raffle. All right, let's see here, get comments. All right, boom, let me copy this. Let me refresh this. Let me paste this. Get YouTube comments. Picking somebody. Boom. All right. OM. All right. Third comment. Yay. Well, you just won $50. I appreciate that. All right. And it's that simple, guys. If you guys like what I show you guys, you know, definitely support the channel. You purchasing the signal indicator definitely supports the channel. All right. So make sure that you do that. All right. And pretty much that's all for this video. You know, what I plan to do with you guys is just show you guys the ropes. All right, I have a whole mess of videos coming out. All right, I'm super pumped. And if you like what you see, click that subscribe button. I'm reaching 1,000 subscribers this week, so I plan to go ahead and do a $100 giveaway. Boom. And until the next video, you know what I'm saying? We out, man. Peace.